Hey guys, today we have a short and sweet tutorial based on something cool I found down at the Luling Dollar Tree. This is a tiny $1 scratch art kit, and for those of you who don't really know what scratch art is, it's when you scratch away at a surface to reveal the colors underneath. And these can be made at home, but for 50 of these little things for $1, I figured there was just no way I could do it cheaper. So your mileage may vary. Your Dollar Tree may or may not have this, but you can always order things from the Dollar Tree website and pick them up in store. This could be a great activity for Bible groups, for classes, or for parents who need to entertain their kids, or just artists who are looking to break out of their comfort zone. So you receive 50 of these black painted little pads. As you can see, by scratching with the little included wooden stick, you get a rainbow of color underneath the black. So I am selecting just one sheet of paper for today, and I already have kind of a sketch in mind. So what I'm doing is I'm actually very lightly sketching it using the wooden stick. I'm not pressing hard enough to cut into the black, just hard enough to leave kind of a shiny mark so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm using this to help me lay down my construction lines. Now you want to be careful because if your wooden stick catches too much, it will start to scrape away. And you don't have to use the wooden stick they included. You could use a needle for really fine work. You could use a chopstick if that's more comfortable for you because this wooden stick is a little bit small. Or you could even use like a bobby pin to kind of scrape away at it. The point is you're scraping away the black paint to reveal the rainbow surface underneath. And the black paint is matte and the rainbow surface beneath is shiny. So you could even do a technique like this over photos that you might want to reuse. So you guys can kind of see my little sketch. Now we're going to start scratching. And the wooden pick that was included is not particularly sharp. It's fairly blunt, but I think that works well because you're not going to stab yourself. Kids are hopefully not going to be stabbing each other. And what I'm doing is I'm just starting by kind of establishing the line art for this piece. And you don't even have to go figurative. You could go very abstract. This could be really fun for something like Zentangles or just kind of meditative doodling. Now I do want to point out if you're scraping away larger areas, you want to be kind of careful. It's difficult to do fine areas or to do nuance with this little wooden dowel. And sometimes the black paint will catch on surrounding areas of black paint and more will want to flake off than what you want. So just kind of be careful. Something else is that the black paint doesn't always want to come off cleanly, so you may want to use a drafting brush or even just a wadded up tissue and just brush away the black flakes once you're done with them in order to get kind of a clean image. So now I have my line art mostly scratched out. And I started thinking about it, and I decided I wanted to show more of the rainbow. So I decided to remove a lot of the black from her hair, and that way we can see the rainbow underneath. So you might want to use a larger scratch tool for this because it can take a bit of time, and you're going to want to wipe off your paper and wipe off your wooden stick pretty frequently, as you saw me do just now. And that's going to give you a better idea of the areas that have actually been scratched clean. So I finished up most of the line art. I'm just kind of cleaning things off. I'd wiped it off using a tissue just to remove any schmutz that had been left on. And I'm just kind of bumping up my line art here and there. I think if I were working in a better working condition, because I recorded this kind of on the floor hunched over, I would love to take my time and make something really fun and elaborate, and maybe also utilize finer point materials so that we can get a variety of line weights. But I think for $1, I definitely got $1 worth of fun out of it, and I still have 48 more of these that I can use. This would be fun for doing like little package doodles that go out with some of the things that people buy, or just for fun as a way to kind of kill time and do something that just feels rewarding. So it was definitely worth my $1. So if you guys see this little kit at your local Dollar Tree, now you know it's a fun little kit and definitely worth $1. Arteza is selling a similar kit, but it's like $14. So I would say just go ahead and go with the Dollar Tree one. This is a great way to relax, to do something a little bit creative, and not have to invest too much effort into it. It's kind of like a level up on the Post-it note doodles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really short tutorial. I always love when I can share cheap thrills with you guys because I firmly believe that art supplies, fun art supplies, don't have to be expensive. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, leave a thumbs up. Let me know that it was a good one for you, and consider subscribing for more fun, inexpensive art tutorials like this one. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video inspired you to make something artistic today. So have a great day, guys. Bye!